What's going on, you guys? Mahesh behind the camera. 27 here. This is Rockstar Mahesh Rajan, DSP, and I'm here. And what's going on? Yesterday I was sleeping around last night. There was a lot of construction vehicles making a lot of noises and a lot of loud noises, and it was very very loud yesterday last night around 12 a.m. At night time this yesterday today and early this morning. And what I'm trying to say is there were a lot of noisy construction vehicles making a lot of loud noises in the middle of the night and early in the morning around 12 a.m. To 6 a.m. in the morning. And it was very loud, and then my mom and grandmother could not even sleep properly because of the noises of heavy machinery like cranes and excavators making a lot of loud noises. And I had a very awesome sleep when I woke up this morning. And they were making a lot of noise in the middle of the night and early in the morning, and then people are almost going to call the police to put a stop to this. But it was quite loud, very very loud. Yesterday when I was asleep, and I was sleeping peacefully, and construction vehicles lot of noise at night in Sengkang. Yeah. Six a.m. to 7 a.m. But the workers outside, they are not cooperating. That's what I'm telling. They are not cooperating with the rules, and they are breaking the fucking rules. That's why I'm telling this. Because they are not listening to the rules at all. They are breaking a law. They are breaking the law. They are breaking the rules. They cannot do overwork timing in the middle of the night. But they are not listening to the rules. Those workers from outside, they are doing some construction works, and in the middle of the night, I heard a lot of crane noises and excavators, machineries, and it was super loud. Even my mom and grandmother cannot sleep. They have to turn around many times on the bed. And I was sleeping peacefully. That's why I wanted to tell you this. They say they are doing some demolition works, but I can hear a lot of drilling noises of the mini excavator, the Kubota excavator drilling the stone way, and a lot of cranes and excavators making a lot of loud noises, very very noisy in the middle of the night. Then some residents are very angry they also have to close their windows, and then they have to call the police on them. Call the cops on them. That's what. The cops means police lah. That's why I say in American way. So that's why they have to call the cops at 2 a.m. and put a stop to this. If they make more noise at night, finish, the police will definitely will come and put a stop, but they will not arrest them. They will ask them to stop work the hours of night time. I mean, like, what the hell? What the hell is wrong with them? That's why I will say. So, yeah. That's why I have to say about this. I'm drinking cold water with ice cubes. Cause the weather now is 31 degrees. That means it's very, very, very cloudy outside. And on the 14th of June to 7 August, the Republic of Singapore Air Force RSAF will be participating in the National Day Parade 2025, and on that day RSAF will be conducting fly-past rehearsals all across Singapore for this year's National Day Parade NDP 2025 to celebrate SG60, 60 years of independence and nation building, and to support 41 years of total defense in Singapore. And yeah.
Here I am in this town but when I came to St. Louis with my mama, alrighty, so why is Mama Cheryl in St. Louis? Like, everybody's like, Mama Cheryl, what are you doing in St. Louis? Okay, we were supposed to be getting coffee. It's turned into a shopping day up here with my girl. Y'all, we just found Madam Angela here in her town. Y'all check it out. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. Listen to me, Sue. Okay, this star up here in St. Louis is only for my real Chicago people. Listen to me, students. I am up here in St. Louis. I'm here with St. Louis' own, but also Mama Cheryl's own, baby. This is my student gala day, y'all. What's up? Let me tell you.
I know what song is this? Ungatwe Unpe Solle. Yeah, I know this song. Welcome to Singapore, KS Chitra. So, yeah. So that's all for now. Goodbye.